Here's how to add a business logo to Stripe checkout, step by step. Start in your Stripe dashboard and go to Settings. This is where Stripe keeps the account options that control how your business appears across checkout and payment pages. Once Settings opens, look under Account Settings and click Business. That section contains the branding details tied to your account, including the visual elements customers may see during checkout. Inside the business area, select the Branding tab. When that tab opens, look for the section labeled Brand Elements. In that section, find Logo. This is the area Stripe uses for the image that can appear as part of your branded checkout experience. If you are already using an icon, you may see that nearby as well, so make sure you are in the logo area before moving on. Next, click the plus button next to Logo. Stripe will open the upload window for your account. Choose your business logo file from your device and upload it. After the file is added, give Stripe a moment if it needs to finish processing the image. Once the upload completes, the logo should appear in the logo section so you can confirm that the correct file was selected. If your account also has an icon set up, there is one more choice to review. Look for the option called Prefer Logo over Icon. Turn that on if you want Stripe to show the logo instead of the icon. This matters if both images exist in your branding settings, because Stripe can use either one depending on how the page is configured. Enabling this option tells Stripe to prioritize the logo for supported checkout surfaces. After that, move to the preview area so you can check how the logo will appear to customers. Select Checkout and Payment links in the preview options. Stripe will show you a preview of the checkout layout with your current branding applied. Use this view to confirm that the logo displays as expected and that it looks appropriate within the checkout page design. If the preview does not look right, stay in the same branding area and verify that the uploaded file is the one you intended to use. Also check whether the Prefer Logo over Icon setting matches the result you want. Then return to the Checkout and Payment links preview and review the display again. The goal here is to confirm how Stripe will present your business branding during checkout, not to make changes anywhere else in the dashboard. Once the preview looks correct, you can leave the branding section knowing your checkout branding has been updated according to these settings. Your business logo is now added to Stripe Checkout and previewed under Checkout and Payment links.